Hey there, my friends. Coach KIRKSHINTA here. So excited. I actually came to the park to get some inspiration, but also to talk to you guys about what I'm actually doing that I'm excited to bring to the market. I get so many emails on a daily basis from people who say, you know, Shin, I want to know what I need to do to be able to build full-time income from home, or build supplemental income that's truly going to change, my economy. How can I do that, Shin? And, I wanted a way to be able to help all those people that shoot me those emails, that reach out to me, that inbox me, and things like that, and to really help them understand what they need to know. Because here's what I do know. I know that there's a lot of reasons why people fail online, because I was one of them, right? Failing over and over and over again and feeling like it was my fault. When the reality was that gurus, whether intentionally or unintentionally, are giving people piecemeal information. And sometimes it's because they know that they can continue to launch products over and over again and make money every single time they do that. So they'll tell you, oh, this is a tactic. Oh, no, wait, now this is the tactic. And what I wanted to do was put together a formula. What is the formula for success on social media, getting exposure to your business, being able to leverage that exposure and not just be doing lives all day, not just be doing attraction marketing and nobody's buying, because the whole point of everything you do is for people to buy what you have to offer, right? So I wanted to find a way to give people the full formula. What is it that you need to know to have success online, to not be posting your life away, and to be able to actually create income that you want in your business, all right? So I launched overnight the Boss Mentorship Academy. Is something that has been a vision of mine for a very long time. I wanted to launch it for some time in terms of a membership, and to bring to people the things that I learned that helped me go from struggling marketer to building full-time income online, to topping the leaderboards. A lot of you who watch my journey saw me do that, right? And I want to show people how to be able to do that. So I have a couple notes, and I want to go over some things that hold on, fix my mic. I want to go over some things, what it is. So first of all, it's a Facebook learning community, okay? And in there, I'm going to be doing bi-weekly workshops or masterminds, whatever you want to call it. And I'm going to be really just giving people the online success skill sets that people need to know to build a successful online business. No fluff, no overwhelm, no you got to watch a million videos. I want people to understand that it doesn't take all that. It just takes consistency and knowing some basic skill sets. All right, so I'm going to give the essentials so that people can immediately take what they've learned and they can apply it and work in their business without being overwhelmed. Okay, so what kind of skill sets am I talking about? I'm talking about things like, how to get more exposure in your online business, leveraging social media. How do you turn that exposure into leads? How do you then turn those leads into conversions and then sales? Because that's what it's about, right? Sometimes I get worried about people who you see them doing a million lives, or they're doing like posting all day, but they're not getting sales. And I post a lot less than what I used to and do a lot less and still get the sales that I want. So it's really about knowing what to do and how to do it. Okay. The other thing is about having a marketing game plan. I find that a lot of online marketers don't have a game plan. They just don't. And when you say, well, what's your daily blueprint? They don't have one. Okay. So you need to have a daily blueprint. That is, if I can say anything that was very instrumental in my success, it was having a daily blueprint and doing it every single day. Understanding how to leverage free platforms such as YouTube, knowing how to do email marketing and keeping it simple, knowing how to make money outside of affiliate marketing. Because here's the thing, and maybe no one else will say this, but I'm going to say it. Affiliate marketing sometimes is cyclical, right? There's sales cycles. There's certain seasons that boom, like we're getting ready for one right now, which is why people need to learn this now. September going all the way to March is boom season in affiliate marketing, right? So people need to learn these skill sets, and now is the time, okay? But there's other ways that you can make money outside of affiliate marketing, and I will be exposing my tribe to those ways, because I have several offline ways, offline methods that I make money in my home business. Okay. And then knowing tools to support you in your business, and knowing how to keep it simple, right? How do you keep your marketing method simple, so that when you enjoy what you're doing in your business, and you're consistent. Okay. And then attraction marketing. I've seen some people teach attraction marketing wrong. They're teaching people to go take pictures in front of Lamborghinis that they don't even own or that they don't have, taking pictures at pools and all that stuff. And that's not really attraction marketing. Attraction marketing is, well, I'm not going to get into what attraction marketing is, but it's definitely not what a lot of people are out there teaching. Is wrong. So yeah, I'm going to teach attraction marketing in a simplified way and help you build a targeted audience for you. Okay. For you, because everyone has something that they bring to the table that will help other people be attracted to them. When people learn that they have a secret power, that secret power is something within you, and you have a secret power, right? I have a secret power. Mine is that I was a former teacher and that I was in an abusive, toxic work environment. That's my testimony. That's my journey. And that's my superpower, is helping people who they want to leave those type of environments, right? So when you learn how to leverage your testimony within your marketing, then that's when you get conversions and sales. All right. And I'm going to show people how to do that. All right. I'm going to show people how to master 2 simple platforms, so they're not all over the place, but that they can master those 2 platforms to get what they need, and how to do affordable paid marketing. Here's the thing about paid marketing. I avoided it for so long, but here's the thing, you know, if you want to, 1, scale up your business, or 2, you know, you're busy, you're working, you want something that's going to be getting you leads, and you know, your marketing method is converting those into sales as you are working, or as you're doing whatever it is you're doing, building other businesses or learning other things, right? But the problem with paid marketing is people don't teach it in a simplified way. This is where my teaching background, people always say to me, Shen, you teach things in a more simplified way. And that's why I'm excited to put my teaching background to use, and to be able to show people how simple some of these methods are. All right. And then there's other things that I know is that, you know, people are not being told the whole formula. I feel like a lot of gurus are teaching people tactics. Okay. They're teaching people, they're saying, oh, Facebook ads by itself, and you're going to have a booming business. No, I don't care what tactic you have, whether it's Facebook ads, solo ads, YouTube marketing. There's always conversion secrets, right? There's conversion strategies. That's what I want people to learn, is you can use whatever strategy, but it needs to be part of a formula, and conversions have to be part of that. Okay. Facebook ads by itself, Bing ads by itself is not going to just turn you into you just slamming, like they say, slam traffic. That's not going to always work, my friend. Okay. So you need to be told the whole formula and the whole truth. And one of those truths is, you know, and I'm going to say it right now. So if you're looking to be part of my academy, I'm going to tell you right now, you have to be told to get over yourself, right? I had to be told it by my mentor early on. Get over yourself, Shen. Get over yourself and do video marketing, right? And a lot of gurus won't tell people that. They say, oh no, if you don't want to do video marketing, blah, 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 whatever. But the reality is, what do you see them do? They're on YouTube. They're making videos. Why? Because video marketing converts. And I'm going to show you how to leverage something that might take you 5 minutes a day and be able to turn that into a conversion tool for yourself. Okay. And then I said that people are not being taught foundational skill sets, daily routines for success, closing, how to make a simple high converting funnel, how to make a simple high converting funnel and not just relying on the funnel that the company gives you. How do you put one of those together in like 10 minutes, right? And make sure you're in the funnel, right? How do you do that? How do you leverage testimonies for people that are already in your company and turn that into money for you, right? How do you overcome objections? How do you position yourself to overcome objections, right? And how do you build a full-time income or a great income without thinking that it's for everybody else? You're watching everybody else have success and you want it for yourself, right? So if that's you, I encourage you to check out the comment section beneath this video to learn how you can get into my membership. Right now, I'm offering it at a very affordable rate so that everybody can get in who wants to for the first 50 spots. Once those I already have 10 of those spots gone actually. But once those 50 spots fill up, the rate is doubling. All right, because I know that I'm giving value in here. I know that people need this. Last night, I sent out one email to my list. And I spoke to 3 people last night who reached out. And this morning, I had another 17 people in my inbox saying, I need help. This, that, and the other. I need a supportive environment. Well, the learning community is your environment. I can't help everybody one by one, but I can put everybody in a community and teach them what I've learned, what I'm doing in my business, and I can support them in that community because that's my tribe. All right, so I'm so excited for you guys to be connected to, you know, the Boss Mentorship Academy, because that's what it's about. And I'm excited for 2019 and 2020 to be the year where people truly understand what they need to know to have a rocking boss empire. Bye, guys.